Here's a healthy one for you that still tastes good. Chicken roulade with cream cheese and asparagus. Start off by pounding your chicken breast. No need to obliterate it, just let the tenderizer do the work. About a 1/4 inch thick. Season with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Make sure you season the other side as well. Spread 2 tablespoons of light cream cheese on the inside of your chicken. If your cheese is hard to spread because it's too cold, just use 2 spoons. Then sprinkle some fresh chopped rosemary on the cheese. Not too much, or it'll be all you can taste. This amount is perfect. Now cut the bottom halves off your asparagus and give the tops a good wash. Toss it onto your cream cheese. And then roll up your chicken into a cheesy blunt. You can use the plastic wrap to guide the roll. Make it nice and tight. Tuck in the sides too so the cheese doesn't melt out. Then wrap it up in the plastic and push the air out. And give it a good spin to tighten it up. Let that chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. After they've set in the fridge, brush with oil. I'm using a nice garlic-infused olive oil here. Place in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes, depending on the size of the breast. Make sure it's up to a safe temperature and let it rest for about 5 minutes. There you go, a nice, rich, diet-friendly meal. You don't have to use cream cheese and asparagus. There are so many ways to make a roulade. Check out some other options if you don't like this one. I just hope it inspires you to get in the kitchen.